Your baby has an HIE brain injury at birth, and now you have concerns about the placenta. The reason why I'm talking with you about this today is because I had a mother who contacted me, and that's what she was talking about. She said that there were concerns with her placenta, and she was trying to get some understanding in regards to what role, if any, does the placenta play if she's looking to move forward with a medical malpractice case. It was her belief that the doctors and the nurses, hospital, that they were the ones who caused her baby's traumatic brain injury. So I want to talk with you today about the placenta and why the placenta is important when we are investigating these cases for families. So first of all, when a placenta is analyzed, there is a medical expert called a placental pathologist who will be able to look at the placenta. They will be able to look at the slides. They will be able to take a look at these things, and they will write a report as it pertains to what they see with the placenta. As a birth injury lawyer, when I'm investigating these cases for families, what I'm working through is I'm looking through the facts. I'm trying to get an idea of what was going on and the theories that we can push forward for the client if we believe that medical malpractice has caused this injury. Now, in this process, not only am I looking at it from the plaintiff standpoint, but I also have to look at and see, do the facts allow for the defense to be able to make certain types of defenses? And with the placenta, depending on what is there, certain types of defenses can be used by the defense when it comes to placental pathologists. And I'm going to quickly now talk about two of the main ones that we see. The first one is going to be when they look at the placenta, do they see any signs of inflammation or infection? Inflammation or infection, these are things that the defense will latch on to and try to say that nope, it wasn't the doctors and nurses at the hospital, it wasn't our clients that caused this traumatic brain injury. It was, look, this is what's going on with the placenta. We see that there was an infection going on, or something like chorioamnionitis, and that is why this baby has this traumatic brain injury. So that's number one. Number two is going to look at to see if there's a condition called placental insufficiency. In other words, whether there was enough nutrients and things getting to the placenta. Was there something wrong with the placenta that could have impacted the baby getting blood and oxygen and certain nutrients, and that this is what caused the baby to suffer that traumatic brain injury. So this area that I'm really talking about right now is going to causation, and that is an area that the defense will really hone in on that, because what they'll say is that, like I said earlier, they will try to show that the reason why this baby has this injury was not something that they did, but it was something else. It was genetics, or it was developmental. So the purpose of this video today is to help you understand that when we are reviewing these cases and when we're doing these investigations, that these are the areas and more that we are looking into. And this is why understanding what is in the placenta, if a placental pathology was done and a report was generated, what does that report say? And how is that going to impact possibly moving forward with a potential medical malpractice case against the doctors, nurses, or the hospital? So I know we discussed a lot in this video today, but I'm just trying to help you understand that there is a lot of things that we have to take a look at, and we have to make sure that these pieces of the puzzle, that they mesh and that they come together when we are looking to help families with these types of issues. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice lawyers practicing law here at Boston Law Group, LLC. We'll talk with you next time. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.